this flower water marble, I'm going to start off with a base coat to protect my nails from any staining from the nail polishes. Apply 1 coat of a white nail polish. This is going to make the colors really pop. So I'm applying tape around my nail to protect my nail from excess nail polish. This is going to help with cleanup later. For my water marble, I'm using Noob Berry Achievement Unlocked, Trading Paint, and the past is always greener. I have an 8-ounce disposable cup filled with room temperature water, and I'm creating a bullseye by alternating 1 drop of each of these 4 polishes. And when I'm satisfied with my bullseye, I'm going to start drawing my design. I'm taking a water marbling tool, but you can also use a toothpick to draw the design. I like to start from the top and drag in. The key to water marbling is you don't want to start with the outside layers because those outside layers of nail polish have already dried. So start a few layers in and continue to drag into the middle of the cup until you're happy with your design. Once you find a spot you like, just dip your nail at a 45-degree angle into the water and take a Q-tip and clean any excess nail polish off the top of the cup, and then slowly pull your nails out of the water. You're going to remove the tape and take a cleanup brush to remove any excess polish that is around your cuticle area. And lastly, after you waited a few minutes for your polish to dry, apply a nice glossy top coat to seal in the design. And there you have it, a flower water marble.